Let me take you through the creation of a masterpiece. Here I already tailored the dress from a simple lace material. The train was made from a quality satin material. My client came in for fitting. It was a nice fit except that the sleeves were too tight. I adjusted the sleeves and commenced beading on the upper front of the dress while the rest of my team were beading the other parts of the dress. They worked tirelessly and I commend them for a job well done. Here I was beading the waistline so as to make it more defined, and guess what? When I was done, I didn't like the outcome. After a long thought, I decided to take it off. I was very sad at this point considering the time I had spent, but I had to because the look wasn't appealing to me. While I was removing the beads, I was thinking of the best way to define the waistline. Did I figure it out? Find out in my next video. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload the video. Like, comment, and share. Thank you. Love you. Bye-bye.